My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it'll be right next to me right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, so just woke up. It is like 10 o'clock in the morning. I want to apologize for my last sneaker review, which was the women's Nike Dunk Low Pink Foam. That will be right there, the little bubble right there above me. Apologize for that. My energy level was so low, but like I said, if y'all checked out that video, which I hope y'all did, that I just came back from a basketball game, we lost, so my energy was just like, it was just low. It was low. But I'm back to being me. I'm happy. New day, new opportunities to be the better version of myself. You get it? All right. So, boom. This just came in the mail. I released that video of the Air Jordan 2 last night. Y'all probably saw it this morning, so y'all might be seeing back-to-back sneaker reviews from me. But yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm giving y'all some heat. I gotta get back on my stuff because really haven't been releasing videos like the way I should be. I need to do other stuff, but I also haven't been. I said I was gonna start doing travel vlogs, but I haven't been going anywhere. So just be patient with me. I will start putting more stuff on my channel as we go. All right, enough talking. White box. See the wings on the side. Nothing special. Air Jordan right there going across. Show you all that right there. Boom. This came out on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot. Air Jordan 2 Retro Low Atmosphere Pale Vanilla White. Suggested retail price, I always tell you at the end. Well, actually, that is right there. Suggested retail price is $150. Size 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. Get straight to it. So when the shoe instantly wanted it. I'm a fan of the Air Jordan 2 lows. Like I got the Air Jordan 2 low UNC to Chicago. Is it Chicago to UNC? That's gonna be at the end of my video if y'all wanna go check out that. But I am a fan of the Air Jordan 2 lows. Alright, ooh, decent. This is fire. Without further ado, we got the Air Jordan. Is this the women's Air Jordan 2? No, it's 8.5, so it's a man. So Air Jordan 2 low Seersucker? I think that's, yeah, Seersucker. Boom. All right, so like I said, it's called a Seersucker. I was told from Jessica, who is actually recording right now because Classic is in school, that it's called that because of the canvas, the material right there. That's what it's called.
The material.
Okay. Yeah. They don't know that. I mean, that's a white person thing. We don't know about this material Seersucker, but the color is wonderful. This could have been an Easter shoe. This would have been a dope little Easter shoe like that. But this is definitely a spring shoe, something like that. I wouldn't really say a summertime. I mean. No, I wouldn't say summertime shoe, because the material seems sweatable. I don't even know if that's a word, but like I feel like my foot would sweat in this because of the material. I feel like it would bring some heat to my foot like that. But it is a low. I'm not used to Jordan 2s coming unlaced like this. Usually that's just like a Jordan 1 thing, which I hate because I feel like when I lace up shoes myself, they always like half bended, half folded. It's like, it looks horrible. But it's not like I'm going to wear this shoe anytime soon anyway. So, all right, get some information off of KicksOnFire.com. Shout out to KicksOnFire.com. It reads, the Air Jordan 2 Low Seersucker is a new colorway of the model that gets its inspiration from springtime colors. Told you, see, springtime. Done in the atmosphere, pale vanilla, white, and fontaine dust color scheme, the Air Jordan 2 Low Seersucker is constructed in a mix of materials highlighted by the festive seersucker patterns that cover the entire upper. So it's actually not about the material. It's about the pattern. So that's what it is. Seersucker is the actual pattern of this shoe right here. It looks like a picnic table, to be honest with you.
It's like almost like boat shoe, like Sperry's, like sounds like a boat shoe.
I'm
like
black.
pinstripes and plaid.
Okay, pinstripes. Look, I'm a Yankees fan, so I know what pinstripes is. But I'm African American.
So there's not.
And
That's maybe just you.
But I grew up in Baltimore. I don't know about boats.
Oh, right.
Like I'm just saying. Like I don't know about boats.
You should. You're from Baltimore.
What you about?
The water. You got the harbor.
Oh no, we don't go near the harbor. Anybody that's from Baltimore know that we don't go to the harbor.
Crap.
That water is contaminated. Like we don't go there. The fish got 3 eyes. We don't go near it. Where was I? Okay. Other details include Wings logo on the tongue, Nike branding on the outer sole. Oh, oops, that is outer sole. And hints of white on the laces and midsole. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty. And it released April the 8th, which I'm not mistaken was this past Saturday, right? Yeah. Because I think I got this off of Sneakers app. Yeah, I did get off Sneaker app. I hit, but I'm still on Sneakers app right now on my phone. Let's see if it's still on Sneakers app, which I'm sure it is because no one buys Air Jordan. Not only is Air Jordan 2s not popular, but Air Jordan 2 Low are not popular. So let's go to in stock. Yep, they're right there. Still right there on the Sneakers app. Like I said, I got the UNC. Let's just type in Air Jordan 2. I got the UNC to Chicago Air Jordan 2, which, like I said, it will be at the end of my video. I am a fan of lows though. I like the Air Jordan 2 lows. Okay, yeah, these are still available on the sneaker app. No one's buying these, but I'm thinking about pulling the trigger on these melon tints, and they're still available. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below if y'all think I should pull the trigger on that. I'm really thinking about pulling the trigger on these. I don't really want to wait, so I'm trying to see if I can find them in the store. I'll probably Google it, but I like it. Didn't you like these? You liked these, right? Mm-hmm. No, it's not these. You showed me these. Those are hideous.
I think they're hideous.
Oh,
I like those.
Oh, you just asked me what I thought about those.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're horrible. So like, I mean, what you think about these?
Yeah.
They're decent.
Yeah,
but I like the other ones. I like the melon tints. So I think we're gonna get. I think that's gonna be the next thing I pull is the melon tints. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Did I show you? I didn't even give my personal. So yeah, like you said, got this Seersucker pattern going around with that pale vanilla type coloring around. I love this pattern. I just it's such a good shoe. Like got the pink, got the bubblegum pink on the back. Air Jordan wings right there on the tongue. White midsole. Got the right there. It's just, I think in my opinion, this is a very just clean shoe. And it goes with a lot of stuff. It wouldn't be hard to match. You can wear it with some joggers. I don't know how I feel about these with shorts because they look kind of long.
I think it was shorts.
You think it was shorts?
Yeah, I think it's. I mean, to me, it reminds me of like a boat shoe, like a spring shoe.
She's going back to the boat. Okay, it is a spring shoe.
Yeah, like I think it like there was some shorts, like some maybe not basketball shorts, maybe like some linen shorts.
Definitely not basketball shorts.
Yeah, some like linen shorts or.
I agree. Linen shorts would probably look good.
Like that, yeah.
This would be clean. Some linen shorts, some white socks, and a little button up.
In place of your Samuel Adams.
Yeah. What? My what?
I said in place of your Samuel Adams.
Okay. Anyway.
Yeah, no, for sure. Like the linen fit.
Yeah. Like, yeah. You remember that fit where I forgot what store we was walking outside. I want to go to Miami. It was like the linen shorts with the top.
Yeah, I remember where we were.
That'd be. I forgot. Was we at H&M?
No, we were at either Forever or
I think we was in
Fashion
Forever.
Nova.
I think we was
one of the two.
I think we was in Forever.
I think you're right.
Yeah, okay. But I could see that. Yeah.
For sure.
We might gotta take a trip to Miami just to wear these.
Right,
Just to wear these. But anyway, we all planning vacations and stuff like that on camera. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what y'all think about the shoe. Was it a cop or drop? 1 to 10, Jessica.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, so this is the problem with the people that's recording my videos. Classic either goes low all the time or Jessica goes high all the time. This is not a 9.
But you know, my scoring is different maybe than yours.
Why?
I'm not like a super sneakerhead.
Okay.
I'm all for look. And I tell you the reason why I like pink and I like that color pink with the vanilla.
Okay.
Because I like that color vanilla. It's not like an off-white. You know what I mean?
I agree.
But it's the fabric for me. It's that canvas fabric. It's not gonna be easy to clean. It's not, but I think it's a good men's shoe.
So when
I think it's a good men's shoe. Like,
but wouldn't points get taken down because it's not easy to clean?
That's why I put it to a 9.
So if it was different fabric, it'd be a 10.
Because
this is not a 10.
I like the color. Sorry guys.
This is not a 10.
Okay, well.
I mean, I'm not gonna take away your score because it's not a 10.
I think it's a 9 because I like that shoe. Out of all the 2s that you showed me,
yes.
that's my favorite. So that's why I gave that a high score.
Okay, I'm gonna give this a 7.5.
Okay, and why?
Because I love the color. I love the color pink.
Mm-hmm.
I agree with what you said with the vanilla. It's not an off-white. It's like
it's not a yellow.
It's not a yellow.
Yeah.
So like it's in the middle a little bit.
Yeah.
So I like that. I love the color scheme on both of them. I love the pattern. Okay, I'm gonna take this to an 8 because I don't think about it. It's not 7.5. It's an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8. I don't like. So the one thing about for me for 2s is 2s look kind of long.
Okay.
They do look like boat
yes.
shoes. I agree. They do look like boat shoes. So I feel like if you're taller, for me it'd be easy because I'm short. It's an 8.5. But if this was a size 10 or 11, it would look insane.
I thought when I was looking at it, to be honest, I was gonna say when we got off camera, I was gonna ask you if they run big.
Yeah, so
because it looks like it is big. And
it's a long shoe, so that takes away from it. You do have big feet for female.
Well, I'm 5'8" though too. So
you are 5'8". You are 5'8". She's an Amazon. So, but okay, so but I'm gonna give it an 8, not a 9, but I give it an 8. I understand. I like your reasons why I give it a 9 though. So I.
8 is good
8.
for you.
Yeah, cool. So y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about this shoe. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.